let's talk about Stalker, the direct spell error fix. Game, not starting in a simple and calm way, will go step by step. You are definitely not alone in this experience. In this video, we're diving deep into the most common causes and definitive solutions to conquer this stubborn, but will equip you with the knowledge to troubleshoot and fix the direct spell error, ensuring you can finally launch Stalker and immerse yourself in its unforgiving world without a hitch. One of the most frequent culprits for DirectX errors is outdated graphics drivers. Your system needs the latest drivers to communicate properly with Stalker's cutting-edge direct spell implementation. Head over to your manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, Lamb, or Intel, and download the newest drivers available for your card. A clean installation is always best to avoid any lingering issues. Sometimes game files can become corrupted or go missing during installation or updates, leading to launch failures. For Steam users, right-click Stalker in your library, go to Properties, then Local Files, and select to verify integrity of game files. If you're using the Epic Games Store, find Stalker and click the 3 dots and choose Verify. This process ensures all necessary game data is present and correct.
DirectX is a fundamental set of APIs, and sometimes the runtime itself needs a refresh. Make sure your Windows operating system is fully up to date, as critical DirectX components are often included in these patches. You can also manually download and install the latest DirectX end-user runtime web installer from Microsoft's official site. A smooth running OS is crucial for a smooth running game. If you can barely get into the game before it crashes, try lowering your graphics settings immediately. Specifically, target settings related to direct spell features like ray tracing or advanced shaders. Start with low presets and gradually increase them, pinpointing which setting might be triggering the error. This can often stabilize the game enough to enjoy the zone.